Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gord on Guitar. This time we have Payton with a song called What I Need. So what I get here is that he needs some freedom. Yeah, I believe so. Now, for the song, we need a capo here on the 3rd fret. And we only have 3 different chords here. So let's go through the 3 chords first. It's the C. So it's 3rd here on the A string, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the F, so you need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be D minor. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Yeah, so we have a pretty easy chords to handle here, and we have some notes to hit as well. Not that hard, so let's go through the intro first. It will be based upon the C and the F. So it will sound like this, and then I'm gonna instruct you of how you're gonna play this. So. Alright, so that is 1 round. So you're gonna play first the C, 1 down, like this. You can try to avoid the top notes, strings down here. So the bass middle is more important in this case. So 1 C down, then clap. Then comes a short melody part here. It will be like this. So that is 3rd on A, open D, and 2nd D. Then you're gonna hit the F here, and then clap, and you're gonna wait, and then do 2 downs pretty fast on F. So slowly it will be like this. And then right after this comes the C again. That is the whole part there. 1 round of this sounds like this. And if we play a couple of rounds, you will get the idea of how you need to handle this part here. So let's go. Yeah, so that was 4 rounds, and that is actually what we need for the first verse. You play 1 round for the intro and then 4 rounds for the first verse there in the same way. Then comes this pre-chorus. Yeah, this pre-chorus is about 2 different chords, and that is the D minor and the F. So it starts in the lyrics, it can all be simple. So that's where we are. So you're gonna play D minor, F, D minor, and F. And that's it. You're gonna play just downs for this, and you're gonna play 8 downs for D minor, 8 downs for F, then go back and play 8 downs for D minor, and then 5 downs for F. This 5 is played, and then comes a short break that builds up for the chorus. So 8 D minor, 8 F, 8 D minor, and 5 F. That would sound like this. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, break. Okay, so that's pretty easy. That's the pre-chorus. Then we are at the chorus, and it's kind of the same playing as in the verse. We'll just add some more downs for the chords to C and F. So the part will sound like this, and then we're gonna go through how it's played. So that is one round. So what we do there, we just play more on the chords. So that is, we will start with the C, and instead of just playing one, like we played in the verse, we're gonna play 4 downs on the C. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes the same melody here. 3rd on A, open D, and 2nd D. And then you hit the F quick here as the 4th kind of note. And then comes another 8 downs on the F. So in total it will be 9 downs, but the first down will be as a part of this 4th note here. Okay, and then comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So slowly it will be like this on the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is one round. So again, 4 downs on the C, then the melody, and the 4th note will be, kind of the note will be the F chord down, and it comes another 8 downs on the F. So with some tempo, standard tempo, and a couple of rounds, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and that was 4 rounds, and that is actually what the first chorus is all about. 4 rounds of this, and that brings us to the second verse. In the second verse, we will play it in the exact same way as we played the first verse. And that's the same case with the next pre-chorus, the same as we learned there. The switch between D minor and F, and the same amount of times when it comes to the downs. And that follows also with the second chorus, same play as the first chorus. And after this second chorus comes a post-chorus part. When she said it's over, that's where we are in the lyrics. And what you do there, you're gonna play in the same way as you played in the chorus here, but just for 2 rounds. So otherwise it's the same there. So 2 rounds of this. And that is how this cool song from Payton ends. So I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please let me know. And it doesn't cost you anything, just subscribe here and leave a thumb up, helps me a lot and gives me motivation to go on here. So yeah, I hope we see you soon, and don't forget guys, play tune.